A reputable large-scale edible oil equipment manufacturer typically offers a comprehensive range of machinery tailored to meet the specific needs of different oils and production capacities. This includes oilseed cleaning and conditioning systems, pressing machines, solvent extraction units, refining equipment, and fully automated bottling lines. Each piece of equipment is engineered to maximize efficiency while minimizing waste and energy consumption. One of the key advantages of working with experienced equipment manufacturers is their ability to provide customized solutions based on the client's requirements. Whether it's designing a compact plant for startups or a fully integrated system for multinational corporations, these manufacturers offer flexible options that cater to diverse market demands. Additionally, many companies prioritize eco-friendly practices by incorporating energy-efficient technologies and recycling systems into their designs. Moreover, top-tier manufacturers often go beyond supplying equipment by offering technical support, installation services, and training programs to ensure smooth operation and maintenance of the machinery. Their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has positioned them as trusted partners for businesses aiming to enhance productivity and meet international standards in edible oil production. As the demand of